Ram Narayan Ram. Today, we will talk about fasting. Fasting is scientific. It often happens that when we get something nice, we tend to eat more, and this sometimes happens at home as well. Then, the next day when we have breakfast, we don't feel very hungry. The reason for this is that whatever we eat 3 or 4 times a day should be properly digested. If this doesn't happen, we all feel uncomfortable. To avoid this, we should occasionally take a break from eating in rotation. Taking a break brings balance to the body, and fasting is necessary to maintain this balance. There is no need to listen to anyone else for this. You should think for yourself about how hungry you feel. The more hungry you are, the more you will want to eat, and if you are less hungry, you will eat less. This, too, is a form of fasting. After eating every day, people should think about what they ate the day before, whether they went to the bathroom properly or not. You should ask yourself, and your mind will tell you. We should listen carefully and pay attention to ourselves. Ask your mind, how are you feeling right now? The mind does everything, we do nothing. If our mind isn't willing, we don't do any work. To fast, we must think for ourselves about what benefit we will gain from it. Maintaining a proper routine benefits us greatly. There is no need for any religion to observe fasting. People of any religion can fast. During fasting, the body gets water from the blood being produced. The body sustains its energy in this way. Our body is a means of balancing everything. However we act, our body responds accordingly. In truth, God resides within our body, yet we search here and there. Just like the deer, which has musk in its navel with such a strong fragrance, but still keeps searching everywhere. Similarly, wisdom and God are within us, but we keep wandering outside. That's why, rather than searching for solutions to our problems here and there, it's better to understand that the solution lies within us. We will find the answer through our own wisdom. I always say that God is within us, sitting as our wisdom, to give us knowledge and awaken us all so that we can perform good deeds. When we are born, God is already within us. Live your life in such a way that you die as a God, not just as a mere human. We come into this world with nothing, and we will take nothing with us when we go. We should all listen to our inner wisdom. Have you ever gone on a walk in the forest? There is so much greenery there, and the animals live without ever needing to fast. They eat whenever they feel hungry. Fasting, rituals, and prayers are things only humans need, along with going to the hospital when we're ill. But all of these can be controlled by the consciousness within us. We should love ourselves and listen to what the mind says, without indulging in unnecessary things. Whenever we fall ill, we go to the hospital, see a doctor, and they prescribe medicine, but we don't recover quickly. Then the doctor suggests another treatment, and hearing that makes us anxious. Everyone thinks that whatever the doctor says, we must do, but that's not the case. If we listen to our wisdom and reflect, we will find all the solutions ourselves. People of all religions say that the sky is formless, and within the sky are the moon and stars. Everything is there. The sky is our soul. We should know this. I always say that we carry our deeds with us after we die. If we do good, good will follow us after death. If we do bad, bad will come to us. Always love others genuinely and let everyone live happily.